In this video I will show you how to open and close port 80 on Windows PC. Opening port 80 typically means allowing incoming connections to your PC on this port, which is necessary for hosting a web server. For this, go to Search and type Windows Firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall from the list. Now right-click on Inbound Rules on the left and then select New Rules. Choose Port and click Next. Select TCP and enter 80 in the specific local ports field. Then click on Next. Select Allow the connection and click Next. Choose the profiles you want the rule to apply to. I will keep all these three checked, then click on Next. Give the rule a name and description and click on Finish. You can see I have successfully opened port 80 on my PC. Now let's look how to close the port 80. Here you can see this is my port 80 rules. You can either disable or delete this rules. For this, right-click on rule name for port 80, then click on Disable Rule. This is same like closing the port. If you want to enable the same rule, then right-click on it and then select Enable Rule. You can close the port 80 by right-clicking on the rule and then select Delete. In the pop-up, click on Yes. You can see the rule has been deleted. In this way we can open port 80 or close port 80 in Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.